We have confirmed that we have add edit status. We have learned how to log in to .loop, navigate .loop. We have downloaded our public record. So we're ready to get started bringing together our documentation in .loop. We're going to log in and add a loop. So from your loop screen, you will find a button that says Add Loop. Click it. Next, you will be prompted to add a new loop. You're going to want to give it a name. Preferably the name is the address. And with a listing, you are going to know the address, so you'll just start typing that in there. And .loop is going to try and match it up with addresses in Google Maps. And here it has found this one, 54 Crystal Drive in Madeira Beach. I'm going to click it and select. There is my address. Because it was able to find it, it's going to fill in my address fields for me in .loop. If it doesn't find it, often it doesn't when it's a condo especially, maybe new construction. That's okay. You can type it in there manually. We're going to scroll down, click continue, and we're going to select our loop template. You will always select a loop template. If it doesn't prompt you to select a loop template, then it is not a Dalton Wade loop. Our choices require some scrolling to see all of them. They're buy-side residential, buy-side commercial, list-side residential, list-side commercial, the list and the renter side of a rental referral, referral to another agent, buy-side and list-side vacant land, new agent transfer, and then a list-side residential for Miami, Palm Beach, and Greater Fort Lauderdale MLSs. Their requirements are a little bit different than my Florida Regional. Now I'm using my Florida Regional, so I'm going to go to the list side residential here. I'm going to click it and I'm going to click continue. It gives me the opportunity to upload a photo. I'm not going to. I'm just going to click done. It's going to create my loop. My address is there. It knows that it's a listing for sale because of the loop template that I selected. The status right now says none. I can change that. Here are some options. We're going to start with pre-listing, and hopefully we'll be changing it to under agreement and then sold. So stay aware of your status, keep it up to date. And our listing price is here. And our closing date, we don't know because it's a listing. So we can just ignore that piece. And I'm going to view my loop. This is what a listing side loop looks like. And in the next video, we will navigate that loop. Thank you for joining me.